We have our GE tankless electric water heaters. These units are designed to provide instant hot water on demand where needed, saving power and water by only operating when the fixture is open. They can provide up to 5.4 gallons of hot water per minute based on the size of the unit and the geographic location. Scale reduction technology extends the life of the unit, and an intuitive display allows owners to adjust temperature and settings. Models come in small and medium point of use and large whole home solution options. We're showing you a large whole home solution option today. Our small and medium models also come with a remote control that can be operated from up to 30 feet away. We offer a 5-year limited replacement warranty on our tankless electric water heaters.